Hello, this is me again. This time giving an article in the COVID-19. The COVID-19 virus was found in the South China seafood wholesale market in Wuhan, where the authorities had intervened because it was the first place where the virus was registered in workers and merchants of the enclosure. China started the largest pandemic in recent years in history. COVID-19 affects in different ways depending on each person. Most people who are infected have mild or moderate symptoms and recover without the need for hospitalization. The most common symptoms are the following: fever, dry cough, fatigue. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, wash your hands frequently, keep a safe distance from people who cough or sneeze, use masks when it is not possible to maintain physical distance, don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth. If you present symptoms, you did not have to go to work and you did not have to attend meetings with other people. You had to stay at home as indicated. The way in which the pandemic has changed our life may be different from each person's perspective, and may cause the only semesters have had better academic results than when I was face to face. However, my academic results are not a reflection of what I learned, since I feel that this semester I have not learned as much as in the previous ones. Speaking at work, my parents were not very affected. My father was able to continue receiving what he earns as a contractor, and my mother could continue to pay normally. However, my parents are doing better financially than before the pandemic. Next, I will give some wise advice that I have learned in the pandemic so far, which I hope will help you and that people are more responsible. Avoid being in crowded space where there are many people. Stay home if you don't have to go out. Now, how could our life with COVID change in the future? Well, answering the question, surely we will still be only class, since although there is already a low percentage of infected in the state, cases will continue to be frequent. However, despite the fact that either fair are infected, they are already few and we are already going out more frequently with the meal measures, so it may be that we continue to go out, taking care of ourselves. And yes, if we all take care of ourselves, it is possible that we will might succeed. And also with the vaccine, the situation may improve. But hey, we don't know what might happen tomorrow. And this is everything. Thank you.